So we're not back yet.
Kung sa rayo to,
Robinson
daw po
is
daw
almost
galing
tomorrow.
Ha?
Oh!
Kaliwat ko pa.
Woo!
Yun na, basa lang. Ito okay. Pero kung
Yeah.
permanente sa mata ko, kung rayo daw. God.
No! I was a read that. By any chance, do you guys have boba? Whoa. You know Baka? What are we talking about here? You know Sophia? Oh, sometimes Sophia always overreacting. She's half happy, half serious. Oh my gosh, my
Ito si Isip ko,
So, yeah.
nagpapa-abot
I love dancing and singing. Wait, don't tell this to my brother. I was singing and my brother slept. Like this. So yeah, don't tell my brother. Oh, is that part you? I'm just kidding. It's just a prank. Well, why my phone is keep falling? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. So we're not at we're not at Robinson. So I'm gonna guys go back. I'm just kidding. We're not at the mall yet. I'm gonna eat gumbo at Robinson.
Hello?
You guys just watch a dinosaur gum. That's kind of funny. You guys watch Scary Peppa Pig? So scary. Me and Titi watch it.
Sangat kumigi ka, huwag ka park ka. Kasi Gilbert.